Do you want him to think about you? Stop thinking about him. It might sound strange, but sometimes the best way to capture someone's attention is to focus on yourself. When you invest in your own happiness and well-being, you become more attractive and intriguing. This intriguing question, posed by Fein and Sherrie Schneider in their book, The Rules Time-Tested Secrets for Capturing the Heart of Mr. Right, might sound counterintuitive, yet it has resonated with countless readers over the years. But it's this very paradox that forms the bedrock of their dating advice. The idea is to create a sense of mystery and independence, which can be incredibly appealing. The book, first published in 1995, took the dating world by storm, promising women a surefire path to finding lasting love. It became a cultural phenomenon, sparking debates and discussions everywhere. Now you might be thinking, playing games? Isn't that a bit manipulative? It's a valid concern, and one that many have raised. Well, that's what we're going to explore. The essence of the rules isn't about deceit, but about understanding the dynamics of attraction and relationship building. The rules aren't about manipulating anyone, but about understanding male psychology and using it to your advantage. It's about knowing what makes someone tick and how to present your best self. This book isn't just for single women, it's for anyone who wants to understand the dynamics of romantic relationships. Whether you're dating, married, or somewhere in between, the insights can be valuable. It offers a unique perspective on dating, rooted in traditional values, but with a modern twist. The blend of old-school charm and contemporary relevance makes it a compelling read. Let's unlock some of these rules and see if they hold the key to lasting love. Are these principles timeless, or have they evolved with the changing times? Let's find out together. The Rules isn't just a book. It's a philosophy. It's about taking control of your love life, setting standards and knowing your worth. It emphasizes traditional courtship rituals where men take the lead and women maintain an air of mystery. The book is filled with specific do's and don'ts for women. For example, don't call him first, don't ask him out, don't be too available. These rules might seem old-fashioned, but they tap into a fundamental truth about attraction. Men are drawn to what they can't easily have. The Rules isn't about changing who you are. It's about presenting your best self. It's about being confident, independent, and a little bit mysterious. In a world of online dating and instant gratification, The Rules offers a refreshing alternative, a return to traditional values and the thrill of the chase. One of the core principles of The Rules is simple. Let the man be the pursuer. This means allowing him to take the lead in initiating contact, planning dates, and expressing his interest. It's about giving him the space to show his intentions and efforts. Don't chase after him, call him constantly, or try to win him over. Instead, let him come to you naturally. This doesn't mean you should be cold or unresponsive, but rather maintain a balance. Instead, focus on yourself, your interests, and let him come to you. Engage in activities that make you happy and fulfilled. This not only enriches your life, but also makes you more attractive. This approach might seem counterintuitive in today's world, but it plays into a fundamental aspect of male psychology. Men are natural hunters. They are wired to pursue and value what they work for. They enjoy the challenge of pursuing a woman who is confident and self-assured, a woman who doesn't need a man to complete her. This confidence is magnetic and irresistible. By not chasing, you create an air of mystery and desirability. You become someone worth pursuing, someone who values herself and her time. You show him that you have a life outside of him which makes you even more attractive. This independence is key to maintaining a healthy and balanced relationship. This doesn't mean playing games or pretending to be uninterested. It's about being genuine and authentic in your interactions. It simply means valuing yourself and your time. Prioritize your goals and passions, and let the relationship complement your life, not dominate it. Remember, a relationship should add to your life, not consume it. It should be a source of joy and support, not stress and dependency. By letting him chase, you're allowing him to demonstrate his interest and commitment. This sets a strong foundation for a lasting and meaningful relationship. In the age of social media, where every detail of our lives is on display, the rules encourages a different approach. Cultivate an air of mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself on the first date. Keep some things private, let him wonder, and let him discover you gradually. This doesn't mean being secretive or dishonest, it's about maintaining a sense of intrigue. Share your thoughts and feelings, but don't feel pressured to reveal every detail of your past or your deepest insecurities right away. Let the relationship unfold organically, with each encounter revealing something new and interesting about you. This approach keeps him engaged and wanting more. It allows him to use his imagination and see you as a multifaceted individual with hidden depths. Remember, familiarity can breed contempt, but a little mystery keeps the spark alive. Section 5. Be busy. A full life is attractive. Don't accept a Saturday date after Wednesday. Sounds crazy, right? But this is another one of the unconventional rules from the book. A woman with a full life is a woman in demand. She has hobbies, friends, passions, and interests that fulfill her. She doesn't sit around waiting for a man to complete her life because her life is already exciting and fulfilling. This is incredibly attractive to men. It shows that you are independent, self-assured, and have a strong sense of self. It also creates a healthy distance in the relationship, allowing both partners to maintain their individuality while pursuing their own interests. So, fill your life with activities you love, spend time with friends and family, and pursue your passions. Not only will this make you a more well-rounded and interesting person, but it will also make you more desirable to the opposite sex. Section 6. The rules work. But are they right? The rules has its fair share of critics. Some argue that it promotes manipulative behavior and reinforces outdated gender roles. Others claim that it reduces dating to a game, stripping it of authenticity and genuine connection. There's no denying that the rules can be seen as controversial. However, the book's enduring popularity suggests that it resonates with many women who are tired of playing games and crave a return to traditional courtship. Ultimately, whether or not you agree with the rules is a personal decision. What matters most is finding an approach to dating that feels authentic to you and aligns with your values. Section 7. Love in the modern world. Do rules still apply? In today's fast-paced world of online dating and instant communication, it's natural to question whether the rules are still relevant. With the rise of dating apps and social media, the dynamics of relationships have evolved significantly. After all, can a book written in the 1990s really offer sound advice for navigating the complexities of modern love? The dating landscape has changed dramatically, and what worked back then might not necessarily apply today. While some aspects of the book might seem outdated, the underlying principles of self-respect, confidence, and setting standards remain timeless. These core values are essential, regardless of the era or the medium through which people meet. The core message of the rules, that you deserve to be pursued and cherished, transcends time and technology. It's about understanding your worth and ensuring that you are treated with the respect and love you deserve. Perhaps the key is to adapt the rules to fit the modern dating landscape. Flexibility and adaptability are crucial in today's world, where the ways people connect and communicate are constantly evolving. Instead of refusing to give out your number, maybe it's about waiting for him to initiate the first move on a dating app. This modern twist still respects the idea of letting the other person show their interest and effort. Instead of not calling him, maybe it's about limiting your texts and social media interactions to maintain a healthy distance. This approach helps in creating a balanced relationship where both parties have space to grow. The essence of the rules lies in recognizing your worth and not settling for less than you deserve. By blending timeless principles with modern practices, you can navigate the dating world with confidence and clarity. Section 8. The power of self-respect. Beyond the specific rules and strategies, the rules ultimately promotes a powerful message: the importance of self-respect. By setting standards and not settling for less than you deserve, you demonstrate your self-worth and attract a partner who values you. When you respect yourself, you set the bar for how others treat you. You don't tolerate disrespect, games, or bad behavior. You value your time and energy, and you invest them wisely. This self-assuredness and self-respect shine through, making you irresistible to the right person. Remember, love should be a source of joy, not insecurity or heartache. By prioritizing your own well-being and setting healthy boundaries, you create a foundation for a loving and fulfilling relationship. Section 9. Finding Love. It's a journey, not a race. The rules reminds us that finding love is not a race, it's a journey. It's about enjoying the process, learning about yourself, and discovering what truly matters in a partner. It's about trusting your instincts, following your heart, and never settling for less than you deserve. So whether or not you subscribe to every rule in the book, remember that you are the prize. Believe in your worth, embrace your individuality, and let love unfold naturally. And who knows, maybe, just maybe, the rules will help you unlock the secrets to finding lasting love.